Want to know how to practice your coding daily using Cloud? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Claude AI website and you should be right here. And on the top left side, you should be seeing your chat, just simply like that. In order to practice coding daily, you need to create a simple coding habit first. So let's say I'm going to learn JavaScript, so I want to write this prompt. So once you have typed in this prompt, Claude AI should actually tailor you your response according to your prompt. So as you can see right here, so you can just simply check your JavaScript focus. I'm just going for Core.js concepts. And as you can see right here, it should give you a proper explanation and your prompt should be given and it should be operated just with this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.